Good morning, dears. Today we are going to see the go through session. Through this, you can find out what did you do in the answer sheet. I have allotted 4 parts in the question paper, section A, B, C and D. I have allotted 40 marks for this exam. Then first section A is a comprehension passage. Through this, you have to read this. For main purpose of the comprehension passage, you have to develop your reading skill and then understanding skill. Okay. Read the following passage and write the answers. It took 3 long years for my coming into existence after the idea of a new currency was conceived. I was conceived and named on 1st January 1999 when 11 European countries decided to have a new money form from that is the euro. My value was determined according to the conversion rate fixed by these countries in terms of their own currencies. On 1st January 2002, I was circulated as currency notes when 12 countries adopted me as their currency. Some countries opposed the idea of using me and initially refused to accept me. But now almost all the European countries have accepted me as valid currency. My brother dollar, who is in America, my brother lira resisting in Italy, and my sister sterling were quite jealous of me, but soon they accept my existence and started respecting me. I now enjoy a place among all the currencies in the world and almost everyone accepts me freely. That question is, how many countries decided to have a new money form? 11 European countries decided to have a new money form. Next, second one, name the currencies of America and Euro. America's currency is dollar and euros is Italy's currency is lira. Next, third one, when did euro came into worldwide acceptance? That is, euro came into worldwide acceptance from 1st January 1999. Next, fourth one, who is Euro sisters and brother? Euro sister is a sterling and brother is a dollar and lira. Next, what is the present status of euro? What is the present status of euro? That present status is enjoy place among all currencies in the world and almost everyone accept that freely. Next, section B, literature. It's related about your book. I have allotted 25 marks about this. Next, first Roman letter 1, write the correct answer. The first one is, which century the roll-top desk was? Option A, early 20th century. Option B, early 19th century. And C, early 18th century. The correct answer is early 19th century. Option B, early 19th century. Next, second one, who bought the roll-top desk from the junk shop? The Michael Marberko was bought a roll-top desk from the junk shop. Third one, what was the date mentioned on the top of the letter? Option A, January 25th, 1915. Option B, December 26, 1914. Option C, December 26, 1999. The correct answer is option B, December 26, 1914. Next, fourth one, Dash wrote the letter to Dash. First one is Jim McPherson and second dash is Coney. Next, fifth one, Hans Wolf played Dash in the orchestra. Cello. Next, sixth one, what did the Fritz and Tommy do instead of fighting? They played football. They played football in the ground, in the trenches. Next, seventh one, where did Coney stay after the fire accident? Where did Coney stay after the fire accident? Nursing home. Next, eighth one, she was dashed out of the garden. Hazing out of the garden. Ninth one, Coney said, you are dashed in the world. Your dash in the world. The best Christmas present in the world. The best Christmas present. That is the answer for the 9th question. 10th one. I have made you nice Christmas cake dash all around. Marzipan. What is that? Marzipan. Next, Roman letter second. Write the synonym. First one, restore. Restore means replace. Second one, scruple. Scruple means compaction. Okay. Next, third one, trenches. A long, narrow ditch. Fourth one, dump. Hole. Fifth one, suffuse. Spread. The each word has some many synonyms. If you write correct synonyms, definitely I will give a mark. I don't expect these particular answers only in day. Okay, you don't worry. If you write the some another synonym means, definitely I will give a mark. Roman letter third, write the antonym. First one, tender. Second one, gaze. Third one, confuse. Fourth one, sausage. And fifth one, generously. First one, tender. Tender means and sympathetic. And sympathetic. Next one, haze means ignore. Third one, confuse, cleared. And fourth one, sausage. Sausage means non-veg. I mean it's a veg. Antonym means veg related one. Next, fifth one, generously. Generously means, what is that? The generously means spontaneously. That is a antonym of generous. Next, fourth one, make a perfect question to following answers. Make a Virgo bought a roll top disc. What is the correct questions? Virgo bought a desk. The shop. Okay. Next, the letter was written in pencil. The letter was in pencil. To write the letter. Next, there are two type of soldiers. Type of soldiers in the trenches. Hans Wolf was played the cello. What did the Hans Wolf was play in the orchestra? Next, fifth one, Macpherson gave the black tin box to Mrs. Jim. Due to Mrs. Jim. Next, Roman letter 5, answer the following questions. First one, what did the author find in a junk shop? What did the author find in a junk shop? Okay, he found a roll top disc in a junk shop. Next, second one, who had written the letter to and when? Who had written the letter? The Jim Macpherson written the letter to Coney, and he written the letter in a what is it? December 2014. Third one, why did the author go to Bridgeport? Why did the author go to Bridgeport? The author went to Bridgeport to visit Mr. Jim. Next, fourth one, who did Coney Macpherson think her visitor was? The Coney Macpherson think her visitor was the Jim Macpherson. Next, fifth one, which cake was favorite to Jim? The Jim's favorite cake is marzipan. Next, Roman letter 6, write the following question. What did he find in a secret drawer? Who do you think had put it there? Their answer is, he found a secret drawer in a roll top disc. In that was a small black tin box. It's rolled in a cello tape. To the top of it was a piece of lint note paper, and it has an envelope. Next, why was the letter written? What was the wonderful thing that had happened? this was you have to write. Hans Wolf was how to meet the Hans Wolf, and then what was happened in the trenches, like that you have to write. Third one, had Hans Wolf ever been Dorset? How did he know about that places? You have to write the incident of the Hans Wolf. The Hans Wolf said, I know very well the Dorset, but he didn't go to the Dorset. Then how did he say like that? I know the Dorset. Like that you have to write in the answer sheet. Okay. Then fourth one, how old was Mrs. Macpherson now? Where was she? More than 100. And where was she now? In the nursing home. Like the accident, you have to write more than 50 words. Okay. Next, which sentence in the text show that the visitor did not try to hide his identity? That when the Macpherson, Marburgo say something about the secret drawer means the Mrs. Jim didn't listen that. Only focus on the box. That's why he didn't accept this is various person like that. And then he didn't listen his voice. Next, section C is a grammar. I have allotted 5 marks in the grammar. From letter 1, correct the error in the following think sentence. That first one, money make many things. Money make many things. Many things means a plural, and money is a plural. So money makes many things. Money makes many things. Yes, you have to add in the make. Next, no news or good news. No news or good news. News is a singular. Okay, news is a singular. So the R is a wrong one. Is only is a correct because news is a singular. So no news is good news. Next, Nitya is taller to Nivi. When in a degrees of comparison, taller means you supposed to be add than. Nitya is taller than Nivi. You have to take a 2 and you have to put then supposed to the 2. So Nitya is taller than Nivi. Next, fourth one, cycles is damaged. Cycles, it's a plural. So is should not come there. So you have to change the is instead of are. Cycles are damaged. Next, fifth one of the girls sung well. One of the girl. So one of the girl is not add. One of the girls. It's a plural form, you have to get one girl. So one of the girls sung well. That is the correct answer. And section D, I have allotted 5 marks in the section. Describe about the following picture in a 5 sentence. If you write 3 or 2 sentence means I won't give the mark. You have to write 5 sentence about this picture. Okay, dears? Are you understand? Thank you, dears.